Hello everybody, this is Sara S with the Mount Airy Branch of the Carroll County Public Library, and I'm here today to show you how to make a book turkey. To make your book turkey, you'll need a book with at least 200 pages, a spare magazine, a utility knife or sharp scissors, and a hot glue gun with glue. Step 1 is to prep your pages. You want to measure your book from the bottom. And from about a third of the way up, you want to make a mark. This is where you're going to start cutting your pages. Step 2, after you've cut all of your pages, about a third of the way up, you're going to fold over your pages. Step 3, you're going to prep your magazine feathers that are going to create the back of your turkey. Step 4 will be to assemble your turkey, including putting the feathers on the back and adding a head if you would like. Finally, you want to display your turkey with pride and make a great centerpiece for your Thanksgiving dinner if you're having one this year. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving.